In this video, we're going to take a look at the Super Shakedown review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to the Super Shakedown review. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com, and coined the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. Alright, so the first thing I need you to do is to look in the description and go ahead and click that first link. It's going to take you to my bonus page here. Go ahead and scroll down till you find the green buttons. There's going to be two on there, and they're going to say get the Super Shakedown and bonuses. Once you click that link, and that's going to lock in your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. And at the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to log into Warrior Plus, where to find the bonuses and all of that cool stuff, so don't worry about it. Now, let's talk a little bit about what the Super Shakedown is all about, okay? So this training course is about affiliate marketing, and it's going to show you how to start making money online in the fastest way possible. So what's really cool about this is everyone is starting to try and make money online these days, but you want to learn it in the fastest way possible so you can start earning online income, right? So that's what this training course is going to show you. I even put out a training course a while back called Cash Pillars about affiliate marketing, and I show you my methods on how I make money doing affiliate marketing. But the really cool thing about this product is you're not just going to learn from one person. You're going to be learning from 4 different people and their own methods that they use in their own businesses. The first 2 is from John Newman and Cynthia Burnett, which they are partners. So you're going to learn their methods and what they use in their own business. And the other 2 is going to be from super affiliates, Jonas Lindgren and Trevor Carr. So all of these marketers are my friends, and we all do something which is called reciprocation, right? When they put out products, we help them. And when we put out products, they help us, right? It's called reciprocation. And you're going to learn about that inside the affiliate marketing, because that's important once you start doing affiliate marketing. And then once you build up in the ranks, you're going to want to be doing reciprocation as well, because that's how you make even more money. So you're going to learn about that inside the training course, plus tons and tons of other cool stuff. So let's go ahead now and jump in to the sales page and have a look. Okay, so the headline here reads the breakthrough blueprint to easy daily commissions from $100 a day to $10K per month with no experience, paid ads, or BS. Go ahead and check out the VSL right here. You can read all the bullets. I'm not going to read all this stuff to you. And go ahead and read everything on the page, guys. Here's some screen earnings from John Newman right here. Some more from John Newman. Some from Cynthia Burnett right here as well. Go ahead and check all of that out. Okay, let's read these simple bullet points right here. So the Shakedown reveals the inside secrets of the world's highest paid super affiliates and exactly how you can copy them for mind-blowing results. So 4 proven methods to profit online, step-by-step, simple and easy for complete beginners. I need to put a space there, buddy. Scalable for even the most advanced marketers. Suitable for any goal from $100 a day to 6 figures per month. Real-world working right now methods we personally use. Results in as little as 30 minutes per day. So here's a closer look at what you're going to get inside. So Super Shakedown method, 5 real world class case studies, super affiliate shortcut, and some essential resources included as well. So 4 powerful income models that are ready to go. So let's scroll down and see what they have for bonuses. Here's some testimonials. You can read those as well. Bonus number 1 is Buyers List Bonanza. Bonus number 2, Traffic Domination Facebook Group. And bonus number 3 is The Collector. Bonus number 4, 10x Commissions Machine. And bonus number 5, Profit Maximizers. This is a good bonus right here. I use this one as well in some of my previous bonuses. Okay, and your 30-day money-back guarantee right here. And I think that is pretty much it. Okay, so here's the vendors, guys. John Newman and his partner Cynthia Burnett, and the 2 super affiliates here, Jonas Lindgren and Trevor Carr. Also going to be teaching you the training inside the Super Shakedown. Okay, so that's the sales page in a nutshell. Make sure you read everything on the page so you have a clear understanding of what you're getting. So let's go ahead now and jump into the members area. Okay, you're going to find a lot of stuff inside the members area, guys. You have dashboard up here, Facebook group, and log out button. You're going to have module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You got a welcome video here from John Newman. If you scroll down a little bit more, you can see all the buttons that you can get access to. Sign up for the advanced training call, your fast action bonus 1, bonus 2, and you can subscribe to John's YouTube channel right there. Also, you're going to get a welcome video from Cynthia, and you can subscribe to her YouTube channel here, and you're also going to get a welcome from Trevor Clark here, and you can subscribe to his YouTube channel as well as Jonas's right here. All right, and you have some more buttons at the bottom down here as well. Ditch your old website, get help writing copy, exclusive free training call. So let's go over the modules up here. Okay, so of course you got the start here, the welcome video, then you have the orientation video. In the next module, you're going to have the main training, okay, masterclass, list building, launch jacking, product launching masterclass, high ticket and recurring backend. All right, you're also going to find Jonas's super affiliate Jedi secrets in here, Cynthia's affiliate secrets, and Trevor's advanced affiliate approaches. Okay, in the next module, you're going to get the case studies and the results. So you got the full super affiliate campaign case study here, list building case study money for nothing, 100 a day with launch jacking case study on how he made $6,410 in 72 hours and added 178 buyer subscriptions to his email list, a case study on how he made $303.25 in 48 hours with one launch jacking video, and a case study on website SEO right there. Module number 4, you got conclusion and next steps right here. You can check out that video. And module number 5 is the bonuses that were listed on the sales page. Module number 6 is some unannounced bonuses. You can get to that as well. Module number 7 is the resource files. Get to that right there. And module number 8 is the upgrades. So you can get to all the upgrades if you didn't purchase those whenever you went through the funnel and you wanted to get them later. You can get access to those anytime right there. All right, so that is the members area. So let's go ahead now and take a look at what the upsells actually are. Okay, so the front end is the Super Shakedown, which is $12.95, so $13. And you're going to get the inside secrets, the super affiliates, with a series of masterclasses, case studies, and additional trainings so that you can start earning serious money online fast. Upgrade number 1 is the Super Shakedown Pro training, which is $67 with a $37 down sale. This is advanced training where he's going to show you everything that worked for him since he started online in 2014. So that includes free and paid traffic strategies, inside secrets to the affiliate marketing game, which is a case study. It's going to be included. Upgrade number 2 is the Super Shakedown Done For You 365. This is $67 with a $47 down sale. So you're going to get Done For You bonus pages every week for 365 days, plus one-time funnel, plus email swipes. Now, this is going to require you to have Commission Gorilla and ClickFunnels. So if you don't have ClickFunnels, then you're going to have to get that. And not many can afford ClickFunnels unless they're already making pretty good money online. But if you do have ClickFunnels and you're using it, but you don't have Commission Gorilla yet, there's a link in my description to get access to Commission Gorilla. And if you pick it up with that link, I'm going to send you my code where you could use my bonus page template as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So if you want to do that, just look in the description and all the instructions are in there as well. Okay, so upgrade number 4, the Super Shakedown Quadruple Reseller License is $67 with a $47 down sale. So you're going to be able to sell the Super Shakedown as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as his previous products, the Collector, 10x Commissions Machine, and Buyer's List Bonanza. And all of these are guaranteed approval to promote. Ideal for newbies. Upgrade number 5 is the Super Shakedown Coaching. This is for $197 with a $147 down sale. So with this coaching, you're going to get a 1-hour Skype Zoom coaching strategy session with John, and you're going to have an ongoing Facebook group support where he's going to help you create a focused plan and anything else regarding internet marketing. And that is the upsells. So let's go ahead now and take a look at my bonuses. Bonus number 1 is 25 free traffic sources. So you can learn how you can drive massive traffic from these 25 free traffic sources that I use daily. Bonus number 2 is the tic-tac-toe closing system. So in here, you're going to learn how to close more sales using this proven formula that's used by the top gurus. Bonus number 3 is how to make money podcasting. This is video training on how you can start earning some easy income online doing podcasting. Bonus number 4 is YouTube Cash. This is video training on how to use YouTube effectively for affiliate commissions. So I'm going to show you how to pitch an affiliate offer. I'm going to show you how to write your YouTube descriptions. I'm going to show you the perfect script, and you can watch over my shoulder as I show you how to use this method to cash in. So remember, click any of the green buttons on this bonus page that say get the Super Shakedown and bonuses, and that's going to take you to the sales page where you can check out, and all these bonuses we just talked about is going to be in the back end of Warrior Plus. So at this time, let me show you how to find those bonuses. So you're going to want to create a Warrior Plus account. Once you do that and then you log in to find the products that you checked out with, you go ahead and find your name, click on the little drop down tab, look for purchase history and click that. It's going to take you to step 2. You're going to be looking for the link that says the Super Shakedown. So you click that, that's going to take you to the next page, which is step 3. And now you can click on the blue button that says access affiliate bonuses to get my bonuses. And if you want to get the product, go ahead and click the green button. That's going to give you access to that. Also, before I forget, if you look in the video description as well, you're going to find some free training in there as well as some advanced training in a webinar if you want to check all that out. So that's going to conclude my review on the Super Shakedown. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. Thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com, and coining the Rockstar Video Marketer. And guys, happy marketing.